Hey guys, Airdrop Hunt is here again. I am glad that you're here. If you're new, welcome, and you've been here with us, welcome back. If you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever video that I'll be dropping in this channel in regards to mining, airdrop, and also subsequent information that I'll be dropping in regards to all the airdrop and project I've been doing in this channel, guys. So if you're new, guys, don't forget still to join my community on Telegram and also on X, where you're gonna actually meet up with us on some of the project I've been doing thus far in this particular channel, guys. So guys, in today's video I'll be showing us how to equally withdraw your earnings, your sats, right, on your Ember Fund. For people who have been following me, I promoted this Ember Fund on this channel, right? So if you're still new, link will be dropped in the description of the video. Don't forget to actually tap sign up and continue mining. Now the thing is, after you've actually successful sign up, right, how do you activate your mining session? You activate your mining session by tapping on this start earning Bitcoin, where you will be given number of sat, right? So guys, if you're serious with this particular project, monthly you can be withdrawing nothing less than 10, right? Though the minimum is 10, right? You'll be withdrawing free fund without any making form of investment. It's absolutely free. Now as you can see, this number of sat I've mined thus far, right? As you can see, here is it, guys. As I'm pointing, right, I've mined 193. No, this is a streak, right? Now this, while here is the total sat I literally mined this 16,790.316. so I'm going to actually show us how to actually go about withdrawing it. Now after you've actually you've come here, right, what you're gonna actually do is tap on this wallet. Now once you tap on your wallet, right, the next thing you're gonna actually do, you tap on this particular place that says sat reward, right? After tapping on sat reward, right, you'll be seeing arrows, right? Now this sat worth $11.03 US. So this is what I'm gonna actually be placing. Though it's like they might actually remove charges, but I'm not sure. But let's just continue the process. Now what you're gonna actually tap is tap on this particular icon that you're seeing I'm pointing. Now once you tap on this particular icon, look at, you go for this particular wallet recommended, which is instant, no fees attached to it, understand? So it's advisable you go for it. Now how do you go about it? You have to have a account with this Roobet Bitcoin wallet. Now how do you go about it? I'll be dropping the link in the description of the video and also in the comment section. I'll be pinning it, guys, right? So endeavor to sign up. That's once you've actually meet their criteria. You have to enter tournament and those stuff others. Now how do you go about it? Before we come and continue with this at this particular stage, let me show you how to actually partake in the tournament. Alright guys, these are the requirements that you have to actually meet, right? As you can see, right, the requirements not met. Now I have to come and participate in this particular tournament, right, before I was able to actually pass this particular stage. Now the requirement is you have to have redeemable sat, which is 400, at least 429. The redemption must be made in final 2 weeks of the month. Now what do they mean here? Like it usually open between 20, right, I've forgotten the date, till 29th of every month. So the last date for you to actually apply for withdrawal is 29th of every month. Now it's normally the last deadline. After that 29, what you're gonna actually do, you come and apply. Then next month from 1st to 5th you're gonna actually get your payment, right? So this is just it for the proof. Now let me go and show us the tournament, how to actually partake in the tournament, guys. Alright, once you've actually come to this particular home page, right, this particular home page that I'm pointing with arrow, now what will you gonna actually do next is to tap on tournament, right? As you're seeing it down below, right, this is the place you're gonna actually tap. Now after you've tapped on this tournament, right, now advisably, since I said this is actually something that you can do without making any form of investment, that you can see is currently on all, right? This is where you're gonna actually check how many tournaments you've entered. Then this is the free version, this is the paid one. So we are all for the free version, right? I'm literally showing for people, but if you can actually go for the paid one, fine, but advisably you go for the free version. Now you tap on the free version. Now once you tap on this free version like this, it's gonna actually pop up like this. Now how do you go about it? I've already entered. I don't know whether it's gonna actually allow us to. As you can see, it says entered. I entered 4 tournaments, right? not long ago. So let me just tap it and see. Okay, it has opened. Now how do you normally do? Once you tap it, right, you're gonna actually enter the tournament. You're gonna actually select 3 coins. The 3 coins you're gonna actually select, you have to tap on trade, this particular icon trade. Now tap it. Now once you've tap it, then now you see this one I've already selected. You're gonna actually choose coins to actually rise up, right? Then that's how you're gonna actually tap. You select at least this particular one, you select one minimum, right? Then once you tap it, you're gonna actually tap on next. Then from next you're done. So that is how to actually participate in the tournament, guys. And for the withdrawal, let's continue with the withdrawal process. Now as I said, then you're gonna actually tap on wallet, then you tap on this SAT icon, a quick one, guys. Tap on this SAT, then you tap on this particular arrow, right? After you tap on this particular arrow, then you select on, make sure it's ticked on this particular Roobet Bitcoin wallet. As you can see, my own is ticked. As written boldly says recommended, right? Then you tap on continue, right? Then you're gonna actually pop up here, right? Then you're gonna actually tap on continue again, right? Then you input the number of SAT, right? I'm gonna actually withdraw 14,030 SAT, right? 14030. I'm gonna actually withdraw everything, right? Should I 0.31640625. Alright, after inputting the number, you tap on continue, right? Now this is what you're gonna actually drop, right? I'm gonna actually get 9.29 US dollar, right? So imagine, guys, getting free $9.21 for free for just activating your mining session after 12 hours, right? You're gonna actually be coming back to your Ember Fund to be activating the mining session 24 hours. So guys, that is us. Then what are we going to do? We'll be tapping on the withdraw. But before we tap on the withdraw section, guys, if you're getting value from this particular video, don't forget to join my community, right, in the Telegram, right, my Telegram community, and also my X community. And don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel if you have not, guys, so that you'll not be missing out on anything I will drop in, guys, right? So guys, that is us. What we're gonna actually do now, you tap on this withdraw, and as I told you, you have to have an account with this Roobet Bitcoin wallet. I'm going to actually drop link in the description of the video and also in the comment section, right? I'm going to actually drop it so that you sign up, right? Now let's tap on withdraw and see. Alright. This says you cannot request mining withdrawal until you verify your phone. Now let me go and verify my phone, guys, right? Then we'll come and finish the last stitch. Alright, I'll be inputting my phone number. After inputting it, then probably they'll be sending code. Now once you've sent this code, then I will verify. Then I guess we're good to go. So guys, you have to still verify, right, your number. So let's go, guys. Alright, they say verify phone number with WhatsApp. To verify your phone on Ember, you must download WhatsApp and set your phone number. All code will be sent through WhatsApp. So guys, the phone number you're gonna actually input, and therefore that is your WhatsApp phone number, because it could be sent to your WhatsApp, right? Then you copy the code and input. So I've already inputted the number. So what I'm gonna actually do is tap on this particular icon, right? This tick, I have downloaded WhatsApp, understand? Already I have WhatsApp, so I will tap on this tick and tap on continue, guys. Alright, I just got the code. Immediately I got the code, I now actually copied it, and it actually still bring me. That means I verified my phone, right? So I'm gonna actually tap on withdraw, right? Let's tap on withdraw and see. Let's see what. Alright, success. Your Bitcoin is being transferred. We will send you a confirmation email shortly. Tap the button in the email to claim your Bitcoin, Roobet. Now let's tap on this OK and see what next will actually pop up, guys, right? Alright, guys, after tapping on this OK, now it has actually brought us this particular page. So as you can see here, it says your withdrawal has been deposited, right? 14,030 SAT has been deposited. So I guess the payment is going to actually drop by around 1st to 5th of next month. So immediately I've actually gotten the payment. I'm going to actually do a review and video on how to go about it, guys. So that is also it for the withdrawal on Ember Fund, guys. If you have not joined, link will be dropped in the description of the video. Endeavor to join, and also link for the Roobet wallet, Bitcoin wallet, still will be dropped in the description of the video. Endeavor to literally sign up and verify account and get ready for withdrawal. Once you actually met the requirement for withdrawal, then you withdraw your earnings for free, guys. That's why I said you have to subscribe to this particular channel, guys, so that you'll not be missing out on free update too. So guys, see you in my next subsequent videos, guys. Peace out.